Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I probably got a delay. Anyway, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And, this is a bottle of certified, unfiltered creek water. I went to a creek, I got this water, and, I'm gonna drink it. But, I'm not an idiot. I am not going to, just without boiling this stuff. I am going to run it through a coffee filter, boil it, make it cold again, and then I'm going to drink it. See how it tastes. And then, I'm going to grab a bottle of Arrowhead water, which says it's all natural from a mountain. So, we have water that says it's all natural from a mountain, and water that is all natural from a mountain. And we are going to test the difference, taste the difference. It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to go purify this water, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I have strained, boiled, and cooled down this bottle of river water. River water. It actually came from a creek. Whatever. And also, oh crap. I have this, I don't know, I'm not going to get copyrighted by Arrowhead Purified Spring Water. Arrowhead Purified Spring Water. Supposed mountain water compared to, I know this is mountain water. So, let's drink. First taste is going to come from my boy Arrowhead water. Minerals added for taste. Tastes like water, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so excited to do this. It's a little warm because I boiled it, but you know. Okay, this is water coming straight out of the creek. I boiled it, but that's all. Dude, I'm a little nervous. Okay. What can I say about Carlton? He was Carlton. It smells different. It smells like a forest, like where I got it from, but it tastes weird. It doesn't taste like dirt, per se. It tastes like fake dirt. I don't know, it tastes a little plasticky. That's so weird. It tastes different, but I know it's just water. It's crystal clear, too. That's another thing about it. It's really clear. For being creek water, it's very, very clear, which is an odd thing to see, considering that it came out of dirt. It is snowmelt, probably. This is so weird. Like, seriously. I wish I could share the taste with you guys, but it's different, and I'm not sure I like how different it is. But I gotta say, this tastes plain, while this tastes... While it is clear, it's not as clear as processed water, but that's a given because it's processed. Is there anything floating in it? Any dead bacteria that I can see? I don't think so. Yeah, but... Anyway, thanks for watching. This was my review of drinking river water. Probably gonna get meningitis. Definitely gonna get the runs. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.